Make sure the Excel window is active. Go to the top menu, click File, and select Print. This will open the Print Setup window. To print, proceed as usual, or to save a PDF copy, choose Save as PDF. And select your desired location to save it. Sometimes, you may want to make more personal changes. Many fields are locked to prevent accidental edits that could break the sheet. For example, changing a formula cell will trigger an alert. However, if you need to make changes, such as adding more blank lines, you can do so at your own risk. To unlock the sheet, go to the Review tab at the top and click Unprotect Sheet. Once the protection is removed, you can edit the fields. After you're done, be sure to click Protect Sheet to lock it again. If the Excel interface doesn't refresh instantly, simply switch to a different ribbon and then switch back. Now you'll see that Protect Sheet is active again.